Zhongshan City Haishang Electric Appliance Company Limited, established in 2013, is an experienced commercial blender manufacturer integrated with research and development, production and sales. Our factory holds 2 production lines covering 4,500 square meters with monthly output capacity of 50,000 pieces blenders and food processors. From the raw material to the finished products, we have a pool of engineers and QC to control the high quality. Our blenders have also backed up by many international certificates such as CBCE, ROSE, FCC, ETL, GS, KC, UKCA. Zhongshan City Haishang Electric Appliance Company Limited has passed ISO 9001 and BSCI certification. Our own brand, Gemat, is well known by overseas clients from both online platforms such as Amazon, Lazada, eBay, and offline such as local supermarkets and local chain stores. And we are selling our blenders beyond 80 countries from Southeast Asia to Europe, Africa, and North and South America. We have 6 standout strengths. Zhongshan City Haishang Electric Appliance Company Limited supports OEM and ODM services, private mold and patents, fast delivery, and short goods ready time. Low MOQ for customized orders, better startups to test the market and raise brand awareness. Possible exclusive reselling right for bulk order. R&D team innovate our products per season. Above is brief introduction of our factory. If you have resources of reselling, don't hesitate to contact us.